Ripley. Okay. Bye-bye. So today I'm at work with my dad. He cleans pools, he looks after pools, and that's what I'm helping him with. It's a lovely day again, so I figured I might as well get out of the house. And I've always liked doing this job, coming to work with him, because it's a really peaceful job. It's really relaxing. You just stand in the sun, not always sunny, but luckily it is today. Stand in the sun, cleaning a pool. And wherever you go, people make drinks for you. But I feel kind of weird right now because I'm like filming, but it's not my house. I feel like out of place. So I'm not going to film too much because I don't want to come across as rude. It's someone's house, it's like private, so I'm not going to like film everything.
I don't mind.
We've done the first pool now, and we're going to the second one. Is it just cleaning it again? Just cleaning. Oh yeah, they've got a little pond there with fish in. I'll get some shots of that. Where are we? Don't recognise it. Oh, it's hot. Oh. Thick. The air is thick in here. See, I've only been in this room for about 5 minutes and I am dripping with sweat. It is so hot in here. I always used to come here with my dad. He's done this pool for years, since I was tiny. So that's why I kind of wanted to come with him today, because like, it's a bit nostalgic, really. And I enjoy it, and it's a productive use of my day, helping my dad. Get to spend some time with him as well, so that's always nice. Spend some time in the sun, or just heat, because this place is like a greenhouse. Dripping with sweat, sweat's dripping off my nose. So I think when I get back I'm just going to have a cold shower or a cold bath. I reckon that'll be nice. Not many people know this, but sometimes frogs get trapped under like the tarpaulin cover kind of thing. And there's one in here, I've lost it, I think it's sunk to the bottom. It's obviously dead, but not a lot of people know that sometimes when you like scoop up the frog and lift it out of the water, there's a chance that it will explode, just like pop. And apparently it's disgusting, so I'm hoping it doesn't happen today, but I don't know, there's still a chance. I was saying about the exploding frogs. I don't know where it went. I think it sank to the bottom. Oh. There it is. Oh, now I can smell it. Don't bring it here. Oh, that smell. Oh, that was nasty. So sweaty. Ugh. Thank God for hats. So that pond that I showed you has fish in, obviously, and my sister used to have pet fish, just like goldfish. When she couldn't keep them anymore, she actually put them in there. So there's actually fish in there that have they started small, but they've grown in there, and we used to own them, or my sister. So there's a nice little bit of us here. Ooh. So we're at my dad's other place of work now. This is his main place of work. And the reason we're here is because I recently got a new drum kit, and I've still got my old kit. It's my very first drum kit, and it's sentimental to me, so I don't really want to just get rid of it. So I'm gonna leave it here because there's plenty of room here. So we're gonna store them here, and when I get the chance, I'm gonna try and make something out of them. I think I'm gonna try and make a table out of the drums. So we'll see how that goes. But that'll be that's a future project. I just need more space in my room. My family are getting a new fridge this Sunday. Tomorrow. It's Saturday today. So they're getting a new fridge tomorrow. And I'm gonna get the old fridge in my room, so I'm gonna have this full-size fridge in my room, which is pretty cool. So I've got to make space for that, basically.
Hey. Hello. I haven't seen you for a long time. Whoa.
Next week, me and Chloe are gonna come here because they have a swimming pool here. We're gonna go have a swim, so that'll be actually something cool to vlog. Really looking forward to it. But yeah, that's pretty much the only exciting stuff that's gonna happen today. So that's probably the end of the vlog, so I shall see you next time. Bye.